for shopping, no matter what. Okay. Hello everybody, Vanakkam and welcome to my channel. Today is shopping day. We're gonna do shopping, and it is raining, and it's Melbourne. Yeah. I cannot carry umbrella during shopping. I'll have shopping bags. I'm going to do a face yoga. I'll just show you what it is. And yes, we have to have breakfast after shopping, and we'll come home and we'll do the shopping haul. Sounds fun, isn't it? Oh my god, this is exciting. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna use this Balense Brightening Serum Concentrate before I do the face yoga. I've made this as a habit. I don't do it like every day, but I try to do at least twice or thrice in a week. Morning when I wake up, I do my skincare, and then I finish my skincare with face yoga. So this app has a lot of exercise, which is like 10 minutes, which is like doable for me. Once I'm done with my exercise, then I can moisturize, and then I put sunscreen. Okay, let's do it quickly. We have to leave by 11 and it is already 10:40. I haven't started with gua sha, but I've started with face yoga, and this is not sponsored. I personally love it, so I'm just gonna see what exercise we can do. Maybe common facial issue repair, start training. Yes, let's do this.
Stretch your neck and uncover it if you're wearing a polo shirt or scarf. You can use a drop of plant oil to smooth your skin and aid the movements. Squeeze your fists and put them on either side of your neck, right under the chin. Start moving your fists from the top to the bottom of the neck. Make sure you don't touch the front of the neck, as the thyroid is located there. This improves blood circulation and relieves neck pain.
Aakash birthday. I was thinking we'll buy a laptop because it's been pending from a long time. We've been planning, and we were so confused. Should we go with Mac? Because whatever we have right now, that needs to be serviced. So if you're going for Mac, it's a big investment.
Actually, it is not an investment, it is a liability, but yeah.
It is investment for the work you're going to do, Chinju. Why are you saying it's liability? What's your favorite recipe of your grandmom?
The chocolate cream
Chocolate cream.
and the cherry.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Nice.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, उसमें it's raining. Just can't believe it's raining. We just walked this road right now. Just came inside and it's raining now. And pick whatever laptop you like.
Too low.
Aakash is saying there's a ticket for 3 people travel to India for this time. I think we should get help from someone. I will ask. We have decided for Microsoft. What is it? Surface. So they call it as Beast.
Yours? Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Well, are you happy?
Yeah.
We didn't buy Mac. Are you sad?
No, not at all.
I'm sad.
Huh?
I'm sad.
On
Anyway,
time.
Aakash has a Mac. I will take his Mac. He will use the new one. Yeah? That's the deal.
Definitely.
That's the deal. Okay, now next to Myers. Or Zara. How's shopping going so far?
Good.
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 Me. I always pick perfumes in Zara. It's so good. I've because if you guys have tried, then it's good. If not, you have to try Zara perfumes. It is cheap and it's so good. So good.
Why?
हाँ, I'm saying.
ये लेना है फिर?
Take that, it's very good. We finished shopping in Zara. We'll go home and I'll show you what we shopped. We didn't shop much. Anyway, but I got 2 perfumes. It was so good. But now we are in David Jones.
I just wanna dance and lose control. Get me to London or Tokyo.
Exhausted, right?
Yeah, little bit tired.
Yeah. We were planning to just go to some cafe, have food and then leave. But then we thought we'll go home. So we did a takeaway from China Bar. And we got groceries as well. So now we'll go home, eat food and not sure what's the plan. We'll just rest.
Tokyo. My head's within the clouds. My body feels the pulse. My feet are saying round and round we go.
I reached home and this is prawn spring roll. So good. Aakash is eating veg momos. How is it?
Okay.
My head's within the clouds. My body feels the pulse.
I expected like 3 pieces.
Round and round
6.
we go.
And I am the only one who eats non-veg. It's a lot. I've got sushi. I've got rice and chicken. I got a lot of stuff. That is from Zara. It's good, right? And this is another green. Also, so this is the last sweatshirt. Should I fabric? Oh, it looks smart. Amazing. What are you going to wear on your birthday?
Maybe.
Olive?
I think so, but not confirmed.
If it's not really cold, I think you should go with that white and that cardigan. Few weeks. Every Friday is wearing new clothes. I don't know if he's realizing it or not.
Yeah.
But he is. That's the end of a haul. Even a little bit tilted was fine now. How do you? Got 2 perfumes from Zara for each. Oh my god, the color is so good, le? Oh my god. This perfume, I wish in video we can smell. Stupid of me to say that. Anyway, this Indian wedding has those flowers. I don't know. There's multiple things. Sometimes the clothes smell also, you know. I don't know. I can't explain. It's just that Indian wedding smell. Is that a thing? Trying to open it. Trying to open it. Give me a second. Just can't wait. My ADHD brain is not able to handle it. And it is really cheap. Like I mentioned, Zara. See, this is like a huge bottle, okay? This is 80 ml of bottle, which is just like 40 bucks. But I think it's not this one. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Oh no. The other one is rose. Should you tell me which one you liked? It smells different now, yaar.
It is good.
This one, right? That's the Indian wedding.
No, that is not Indian wedding.
See, I think we picked the wrong one.
हाँ तो तुमने 50 तो लेके रखे थे हाथ में, एक एक करके करना था ना.
No,
बोल रहा था मैं तुमको.
Chinju, see, when we did the trials, there was a bottle in trials.
You have to try one perfume 3 times.
I remember it was this. It was something like this.
हाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ. Yours was.
Ah, see, it smells different now. See? No, don't tell me it was the smell. Same smell. It smells different now, right? Isn't it?
पता नहीं.
No, but this is the one.
यही हो.
Yes, this is one. Oh yeah, I got the right one. Got that. Such a manda buddhi. Okay. My house is a mess. And someone is happy with their new toy. Happy birthday, Aakash.
Thank you.
Okay, I think we are almost at the end of the vlog. We have just opened the laptop and he's busy. I'm going to watch my series and then start cleaning. I like doing that. And if you've just watched the video so long, thank you so much. See you soon in another vlog. Until then, stay connected. Bye, Aakash. See you guys. Mwah.